Garlic, tomatoes, onions, oregano, olives, spinach. Beautiful. Healthy, vegetarian, and vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so here's 1 can of tomatoes. When I say 1 can, I mean a regular size can, you know, that big, 400 ml usually. They were whole plum tomatoes, just mashed them up with my hand, crushed them down a little bit. In the center, pasta. Now, get your pasta ready because we're going to concentrate on the sauce rather than the pasta. I've got 3 cups there of penne pasta ready to go. You can use any pasta you want. I've got 3 cups of cooked spinach. That's a fresh spinach that I cooked. I'll show you a tiny little video about that just in a moment. 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, and here I've got some black olives, taking the stones out. I think I've got about 7 or 8 there. You can play around with that. Okay, let's get to the cooker. So you're going to need a wok like this, sort of woky thing, or a kind of skillet or something. In there I've got some olive oil, 2 tablespoons. Let's drop in the 1 cup of the onion and the tablespoon of garlic. Now I've just put the heat on and it's on medium. While I'm here, I'm going to add a nice big pinch of black pepper and salt, and I'm going to get those olives in now, get them working straight away. Really simple, this one. I'll be back in about 3 minutes. Okay, next up we're going to drop in the cooked spinach, about 3 cups here, quite a lot. And for about 4 or 5 minutes now, we're going to fry the spinach. I really want to kind of cook it and give it a little toasting even, you know, just don't want it just in there for a minute or so. I want to really give it a nice fry. See you then. Now the reason that I wanted to kind of give this an extra little fry is because it's freshly cooked and it's still retaining quite a lot of water. So I just want to kind of fry it a bit and get some of that water evaporated. Otherwise you're going to end up with quite a watery sauce, which I don't want. But really simply, we're going to add 1 can of tomatoes. This was a plum tomato, crushed it up with my hand. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of dried oregano. You could change that if you want to something else, entirely up to you. Nice lovely mix. Then we're going to turn the heat down, not to a simmer but just above a simmer. We're going to let it go for about 5 minutes. This sauce really simply is done. There you go, 5 minutes. Beautiful. Now I'm going to add my pasta in. I'm using penne. You could use something different if you want, of course, and if you want you could serve the sauce on top of pasta. Maybe if you've got spinach or tagliatelle or something like that. So I'm going to go just for about another 3 minutes. Just want to get some sauce in, on and around, then that's going to be served. Delicious. Okay, and there you go, job done. Really easy, nice spinach, tomato, garlic pasta with a few olives. Delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.